Hello and welcome to New Parenting Training. So today we got this Baby Jogger CD Tour 2. This is an ultra compact stroller. So we're about to go on a vacation and my wife wanted to try out this Baby Jogger CD Tour, the compact stroller. Now I have done a jogging stroller of their brand before. It's called the Baby Jogger Summit X3. That one we had a really bad experience. So I didn't really like the Baby Jogger brand all that much, but my wife said, the compact stroller that might be really good. So anyway, today we got one. I'm gonna unbox and then we're gonna see how sturdy it is when we go on travel. Okay, so the unboxing is really straightforward. All you need to do is take out the body and the wheels, and they also provide you with a bag. I guess when you are folding up the stroller, you can use the bag to bag it afterward. To unpack the stroller, all you have to do is there's a latch on the side. You have to unlatch and the stroller can be undone. So it's really straightforward. And then you just put on the wheels. Total of 4 wheels, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. The ones in the back go on the side, and the 2 in the front go straight into the front of the stroller. Okay, so now let me talk about some of the key features of the stroller. First of all, this stroller is very lightweight. It's only weighs 14 pounds without anything on it. So it's very easy to carry. Aside from that, it is very suitable to put in the overhead compartment in the airplane. So you don't have to gate check this stroller at the airport. Now, if you do need to gate check this stroller, since they provide you with a traveling bag, then you can just use that bag. You don't have to purchase a separate gate check bag for this stroller. So it's very convenient. This stroller can hold up a child up to 45 pounds. There's a basket underneath that can hold up to 15 pounds. On top, there's a canopy that's SPF 50 proof. And there's also a peekaboo on top as well. The peekaboo can be rolled up so you can see your kid at all times. The way that you're gonna fold it up, first you have to push the handlebar fold release button to the left. Now you can squeeze underneath button to fold up the top portion. Once the top portion is down, then you can pull the tab in the middle of the seat to fold up the whole entire stroller. To unfold is even simpler. You just unhook the latch on the side and the whole stroller can be undone. The way that you're gonna incline the seat is to hold the string, pinch the tab, and push the tab upward. And there's also a leg support in the front. The way that you can raise it or lower it, there's a latch on the back of the leg support. You can squeeze it to raise it up. Now let me talk about the lights. What I like about this stroller is the fact that how lightweight it is. It's really easy to maneuver even with the baby inside. It's definitely a plus when you have to travel on the airplane, since this stroller fit perfectly inside a overhead compartment. Another great thing about this stroller is it's very well priced compared to other ultra lightweight stroller. I'll put the links to the most current price down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now the things I don't like about it, first of all, the canopy does not extend all the way down. So if your baby is sitting upright, it's not going to cover their whole entire body. Second thing I didn't like about it, the harness buckle. My kid liked to play with it and it's really easy for her to actually unbuckle herself. She had done that many times. So you have to keep an eye on the kid, make sure that the harness is actually buckled in. The third thing I didn't like is the upper portion of the stroller. It's very easily come undone. It can be annoying at times when you are trying to transport this and the top portion came loose. My final thought about this Baby Jogger CD Tour 2, I do like it and also would recommend simply because how budget friendly this stroller is, along with many of the features that it comes with. Anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.